there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your go-to channel for making better purchasing decisions. Today, we're sending 2 drones into the air to see which one will soar higher in your hearts and wallets. On the left, we have the iSTONE P5 drone, and on the right, the TOMZON P5G GPS drone. It's going to be an epic showdown, so buckle up and let's dive in. First up, let's talk cameras. iSTONE i5 struts in with a 1080p adjustable FPV camera. It's like that friend who thinks they're a pro photographer with their phone. Not bad, but not exactly the next Spielberg. Reviewers have noted that while the iSTONE Acerca 5 can take decent pictures, the video quality is erratic and inconsistent. Meanwhile, TOMZON P5G comes swaggering in with a 4K UHD camera, 90 degrees adjust, and a 120 degrees wide-angle lens. It's like having a professional film crew in your backpack. Reviewers rave about the TOMZON P5G's high-quality camera and stability. Sorry, iSTONE, but TOMZON is definitely winning the drone beauty pageant here. Now, let's see who can stay airborne the longest. iSTONE i5 gives you up to 30 minutes of flight time with 2 rechargeable batteries. That's decent, like a marathon runner who didn't quite train enough. But TOMZON P5G, oh boy, it's got 36 minutes of flight time. It's like the drone equivalent of a caffeine-fueled Energizer bunny. Reviewers note that the TOMZON P5G is stable and quick to connect to satellites, which adds to its reliability during flight. TOMZON, you're really flying high on this one. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're like me, and can barely manage to use a toaster without supervision. iSTONE i5 is super beginner-friendly, with features like headless mode, one-key start landing, and hand gesture photo, video. It's like a drone with training wheels. However, some reviewers have mentioned that the iSTONE i5 can be unpredictable and has even flown away uncontrollably for some users. But TOMZON P5G, it's got GPS, auto-return, headless mode, and a 30 meters range beginner mode. It's like your drone has an inbuilt nanny. Reviewers appreciate the TOMZON P5G's ease of use and the helpful customer service. Both are great for newbies, but TOMZON's got that extra touch of sophistication and reliability. Next up, portability. iSTONE i5 boasts a foldable design that can fit in your pocket. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones. However, reviewers have noted that it feels cheaply made. TOMZON P5G comes with a lightweight design under 250 grams, so no FAA registration hassles, and a waterproof carrying case. It's like the James Bond of drones, ready for any mission. Reviewers love the TOMZON P5G's portability and design. Both are super portable, but TOMZON's got that extra spy gear vibe. Now, let's get to the part that can make or break a deal: the price. iSTONE i5 is priced at a sweet $119. It's like finding a good taco truck. Cheap and satisfying. However, some reviewers feel that the quality doesn't justify even this low price. TOMZON P5G, on the other hand, is $159. It's like dining at a fancy restaurant. You're paying for the experience. Reviewers believe it offers great value for its price with its impressive features. If you're on a budget, iSTONE i5 is your go-to. But if you've got a bit more cash to splash, TOMZON P5G is worth the extra dough. Summarizing the reviews, the iSTONE P5G is seen as an affordable, beginner-friendly option, but has several issues with reliability and build quality. On the other hand, the TOMZON P5G is praised for its high-quality camera, stability, and advanced features, making it a great value for its price. So there you have it, folks. The iSTONE i5 and TOMZON P5G. Both great drones, but catering to different needs and budgets. Are you Team iSTONE, the budget-friendly flyer, or Team TOMZON, the high-tech Sky King? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome comparisons. Until next time, keep flying high and buying smart. See ya! Product links are in the description.